Over the past few years, I've been into the real estate business and I've seen many beautiful houses in the Gambia. And today I'm going to show you the reason why this is one of the best houses that you can see in the Gambia. Let me walk you through inside. From here you have a security room and a parking space, and then you have a beautiful gardening here which goes all the way to the back of the compound. Very beautiful, very spacious house. So now let me walk you through inside. Coming inside, you can see that there is a security door, very secure. You have a very spacious living room which comes with a smart TV, and then you have a nice view. This compound is just amazing. And then you have the dining, which is also very spacious, very beautiful. Then you have the kitchen, which comes with an island. You have an electric cooker, oven, extractor. So looking at the kitchen, it's just so beautiful. So from there, we take you to another living room. The property comes with 2 living rooms on the ground floor. This living room comes with AC, and then it comes with a very beautiful space. From there, we take you to the first bedroom of this mansion. This bedroom comes with its own toilet. Very beautiful toilet, which comes with a water heater, a very good running water, and it's just spacious. From there we go to the bedroom. This is the first bedroom. The bedroom is so spacious, you can see for yourself. Very spacious, very big bedroom which comes with an AC. So from there we take you to the next bedroom of this mansion. This is another bedroom, the guest bedroom and the guest toilet of this beautiful mansion. This here is the guest toilet which comes with shower, and then it's very just beautiful. From there we check on the guest bedroom too. You can see it's spacious, which comes with an AC too, and very beautiful curtains. You can also use it as an office. So from there we move on to the bedrooms upstairs. So you can see from the stairs, very beautiful lightings. Follow me. As I told you earlier, this is among the best mansions that you can have. Very good structure. The first thing you'll notice is there's another living room upstairs too. Very beautiful living room, very spacious. From upstairs, you can have a very beautiful view of the living room downstairs. You can see very beautiful. So from there, I can show you the other bedroom, which is in the top floor of the mansion. So this also is a master bedroom. It comes with its own toilet, a very modern, spacious toilet. So this is the bedroom. These bedrooms are just so spacious, and also it comes with an AC, and then you can see it has a very beautiful view from the inside. So from there I will take you to the main master suite of this mansion. Guys, follow me. This is a very well built, very spacious master bedroom. You can see the space, you can see the space, you can see everything. It comes with an AC, it comes with a walk-in closet. You can see it has everything that you need. So from there you have the toilet, spacious, water heater for your hot bath, very beautiful. So from there I take you to the balcony. Let's check the view from the balcony of the master bedroom. It's just amazing. So you can see this is the balcony to the master bedroom. You can see it's very, very spacious. This is the view, guys. This is the view of this mansion. From here, the balcony goes up till here. You see, it's very spacious. That's all we have for you guys. Make this property yours and feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you so much.